Here we are with the live views from the solar telescope just behind me. It's what SLU members are going to watch every single day from now on. And you can see there the sun is on the left. You can see the small black dot, which is just to the right of center of the sun. That is the tiny orb of Mercury. Mercury, you now know so many interesting and fascinating facts from SLU astronomer Bob Berman. You'll be able to tell all your friends. Now, you may be asking yourself, what is that large round thing to the right of the sun? Well, that's our second sun. I don't know if you knew that we had a second sun, but there it is. It's normally hidden from view. NASA and other organizations, they usually hide that stuff away from us. They don't tell us the truth, but you know, there it is. It's true.
Sun right there. Yeah. Now if I go down,
whoa, that's insane.
Now I'll go back up, and
there's the real sun. Well, I don't think they can see it very well on my camera, but that is amazing.
And I'll go back down to the...
Now you've got this from Houston, from Colorado, and now from South Carolina. In Houston, it was right below, but in Colorado and here, it's down and to the right. That is not the sun we're looking at right there, folks. And it's definitely not a solar flare.
Solar telescope.
Now, what kind of filter do you have on here?
It's a double stack hydrogen alpha.
Hydrogen alpha.
Solar telescope. Go to the real sun.
He's going to go to the real sun first. Let's see. So there's our real sun that we see with our eyes. And then he's going to go down and to the right. And here comes the second sun. Wow, what in Coronado Solar Max 2. D equals 60.
It's right back here.
Millimeters. Oh, okay, sorry about that, folks. Here, this one will be easier to see. Maybe. Double stack hydrogen alpha filter. So once again, folks, there's our real sun. Sorry, there's a glare. And then he goes down and to the right, and here comes the second sun. Wow, that's just so wild. The real sun. The real sun. You tell me which one is correct. Because Chris can always find this one. And that's the one we see right there.
Yeah.
With our eyes. And this is one that you need that hydrogen alpha filter, and it moves. Depending on where you're at, it moves.
Which again proves that it's not refraction within the telescope, because if it was, it would be in the same spot no matter where you're at.
Yeah.
If I was in Denver, Houston, South Carolina, or Europe, it would always be in the same spot, because there would be the refraction within the telescope would always be the same.
And what really blew my mind was the fact that the Polaroid filter makes this one disappear, just like an eclipse.